I don't know the country where they send us to come guide person.
This I don't tire.
You see na US now for just come now na Nigeria.
Understand?
Come to Nigeria.
Oh, they see Oyibo people at least. See me now. Some don't beat me, I don't black.
You can't be like me, we be devil. It remains small now for example you will be angel.
You just don't know you the influence.
Oh God, fine, pass you.
No, they talk all this kind of things because if I fly, come out. I might rest.
See what they say you may come guide. May do good.
And I don't try.
Oh God, this guy never try. He didn't even do like gate man. You don't know gate man work. They do like you never guide Nigeria.
I don't guide Nigerian before. Now I make a tire, I won't go, but don't try. I just pray to make my assignment finish.
No, your assignment no fit finish. Best will be say since when I did you know if you do bad. You don't know gate man normally supposed to thief.
How much assignments will they give you on now?
Like 1,000 no.
You want to 2,500.
Now just one he don't do. Inside all the 1,000, I just one.
2,500 then give me for him to say making fulfilling assignment, make a guide them. You understand?
This guy
don't try do 2.5.
2.5. Mommy and you will really get work here. Oh.
The manager like that.
So why not see? Why not to just allow me man do the bad so that I'll just go enjoy? See, things they happen for fire like this. Things they happen for fire. But now no one go perform. I just stay here. But even if na machanla. Hey nah, you don't know who sing am. Whiskey na correct guy yo.
Which one be correct guy?
Whiskey na correct guy.
Now when you never do the remix for that machanla, like say na Davido.
Leave Whiskey do. Whiskey they do things when people no expect. You don't wake up. See an idiot.
What you full in mind now? What you not understand?
See am. Do small bad, you know if you do small bad. Get mad the thief, they knack. This one go do need to do any bad.
Oh my
God. Nah, she didn't best way come. No even mess. He mess smell past devil. Hey, smell am. Smell.
No smell am.
Smell am.
No smell am.
Smell am.
No smell am.
Listen to me. Smell am.
You never wash your butt. Hey! That's why I never wash your butter for 14 weeks.
Sign they do. Waiting smell.
You know they listen.
Waiting smell.
Do good, no good. Do bad, no good.
My see waiting smell.
What you want to do?
Leave a man smell. No, who you be to the give me order. I collect order from the there. Leave a man smell am.
Obey the voice of God. No do. No.
Jesus!
Una know the year what?